Jump and clap, let's learn today. Learn today, learn today. Jump and clap, let's learn today with Rain. Hi kids, I'm Rain, and our lesson for today is CVC, 3-letter words. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Add family. Add, add, add. Your turn to read. Good job. Add, add, nad. Add, add, fad. Add, add, rad. Your turn to read, kids. Amazing! Add, add, tad. Add, add, wad. Add, add, bad. Your turn to read, kids. Fantastic! And family. An. Your turn to read. Fantastic! And ban. And dan. And hand. Your turn to read, kids. Nice work! And pan. And tan. And man. Your turn to read. Fantastic! At family. At. Your turn to read. Terrific! At, get. At, jet. At, lad. Your turn to read, kids. Great job! At mat. At pat. At yat. Your turn to read. Incredible! Id family. Ed. Id. Your turn to read. Nice work! B, id, b, id, bid. D, id, d, id, did. H, id, h, id, hid. Your turn to read, kids. Nice! Id, k, id, kid. L, id, l, id, lid. Id, id, read. Your turn to read. Great! Egg family. E, g, e, g, egg. Your turn to read. Nice work! B, egg, b, egg, big. D, egg, d, egg, dig. Egg, egg, fig. Your turn to read, kids. Fantastic! J, egg, j, egg, jig. P, egg, p, egg, pig. W, egg, w, egg, wig. Your turn to read, kids. Incredible! In family. E, n, e, n, in. Your turn to read. Great! B, in, b, in, bin. F, in, f, in, fin. T, in, t, in, tin. Your turn to read, kids. Great job! W, in, w, in, win. S, in, s, in, sin. P, in, p, in, pin. Your turn to read, kids. Amazing! Ip family. E, p, e, p, ip. Your turn to read, kids. Good job! D, ip, d, ip, dip. H, ip, h, ip, hip. ip, nip. Your turn to read, kids. Terrific! S, ip, s, ip, sip. T, ip, t, ip, tip. L, ip, ip, lip. Your turn to read, kids. Excellent work! Tatapos ang ating lesson. If you find this video helpful and effective, please click subscribe, like, and notification to see more of my content here in YouTube. Paalam at salamat!